What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Dumb Luck TCG. I just had a few, I think today was just kind of going to be little spare pack openings that we had. I've got some packs that just haven't been opened yet, so I think we're just going to go into it. I'm going to start with some Champions Path because that's currently my least favorite. So we're going to start here. We're just going to see if we can pull anything, These are just some spare packs that were lying around. So I'm really kind of not really hoping for too much. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we got Energy, Absol, Rotom Phone, Hyper Potion, Purloin, Scraggy, Full Heal, Hatena, a Chop, Hollow Psychic Energy, not too bad, and a Hollow Altaria. Oh, wow, shocking. Oh, so cool. Alright, we're going to cruise right through the Champions Path, I think, because they've been robbing us this whole time. And it is Super Bowl Sunday. I am currently watching right here. Go Bucks. A lot of people don't want to see Tom Brady back, but I think if anything, this will prove his legacy. Was so much more than just being on the Patriots. He's just a phenomenal quarterback. You love to hate. Pita, Chop, Purloin, Scraggy, Full Heal, Hatena, Hollow, Reverse Hollow Pokemon Center Lady, and Altaria. Oh, who would have freaking guessed? I'm a Champion's trash. Gosh. Can't all be winners. Again, me and Anthony, we've just been having fun. This has all been for fun for us, so. At least the artwork for Champions Path is really nice. I really do enjoy some of it. Alright, another Reverse Hollow Trainer. And, a Grapple-Locked V. Okay. Already got him, but, he'll chill over here with Eevee. Pokemon V card is a Pokemon V. I'm not gonna lie, you really gotta watch how you say that. If you're watching this video before the game's over, let me know who you think's gonna win. Right now, as it stands, Tampa Bay is winning, which I think is most important. Beedrill, oh, there he is. Beedrill, shout out Colin. Rockruff, Potion. And guys, I know I've been talking about doing a playthrough. Oh gosh, hang on. Venusaur V, okay, not bad. Not one I had before. I did not have this. So this is automatically one of the better Champions Path pulls I've had. So I'll take that. 2 out of 4. It's some type of VMAX or V card. So next, we are going to be going into a Sun and Moon pack that I got. So like I said, I was talking about the Let's Play. I've been talking about doing Platinum. The only reason nothing's come out of it, guys, I'm going to be honest with you, is not that I haven't wanted to do it. It's that I have been on the DS, I've been on my 3DS, and I've been replaying Omega Ruby. So I just beat the Elite Four. I'm going to do the Delta episode, get Rayquaza. First off, I just really want to appreciate this Poliwag. That is such a cool card, the little crochet knitted Poliwag. That's so cool. Really cool looking Skarmory. Reverse. And a Holo Dragonite. Very, very nice. Very, very nice looking card. So like I said, I started Omega. I had just been finishing a playthrough on Omega Ruby. And I've been finishing that up, and I've just been invested in that team currently, so I've been trying to finish that up for all it'll get me. Then I'm probably going to start right up into Platinum. I know Anthony is doing a randomizer on Fire Red. I was debating maybe just doing a randomizer on Leaf Green, and we can see whose progress ends up where. I thought it might end up being too confusing for the channel, so I don't think we're going to do it that way. I'll do Leaf Green eventually. I'll do a randomizer eventually, but I'm going to let Anthony do his thing. Moving on to some Rebel Clash. Yeah, I like that Holo Dragonite. 2, 3, 4, I think is the trick still for Rebel Clash. Yep, there's our energy. Heracross. Helioptile, I feel like he's a forgotten Pokemon. Sandygast, that's a cool looking card for him. Vulpix. Coughing, and Tampa Bay is up 13-3 right now too, so it's been a pretty awesome Super Bowl so far. Metapod and Alcremie non-holo rare. We're gonna keep it going with some Rebel Clash. I just didn't want you guys to feel like I forgot about that playthrough, or I'm just talking it up like nothing's gonna happen. In terms of starter, I think we're gonna do a coin flip. Someone did suggest it. I think it's only fair. Shuckle. Don't fuckle with Shuckle. We're gonna go between Turtwig and Chimchar on a coin flip because I really can't decide, and I usually do, what's the name? Piplup. Nice Claymation Bunnelby. Reverse Holo Doublade. And a non-holo rare Seismitoad. Oops, almost forgot the trick. Haven't seen any whiting really on any of these packs. They've all been really tight packs. Hatchram. Very cool evolution style, evolution line. Phalanx is probably one of the most unique Pokemon. Nosepass. Wingull. Phantom. Bronzor. Toxel. Reverse Holo Snorlax. Very cool. And a non-holo rare Toxtricity. Dang! I would love some of these in holo. I don't know if you guys have been checking out Anthony's God Packs that he's getting from his buddy. They've been really cool. He's been getting some really cool stuff. This is our last Rebel Clash, by the way. Doublade, Lombre, Sandygast, Roly-Coly, Stunky, Clefairy, Voltorb. Ooh, non-holo Halucha, Rey Mysterio himself. And a gold trainer card, Big Charm. Oh my gosh, what a pull. Oh, I gotta get a top loader and sleeve for that. Wow. Great pull there. Very cool card. Alright, so we got a couple more. Going into some Darkness Ablaze. Could always be some fire in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Ariados. Familiar Bell. Rose Tower. My boy Snubble. My boy Meltan. Very cool looking Bumblebee artwork. Paris. My boy Larvitar. Reverse Hollow Rare Sarina. And a non-hollow rare Lugia. Very cool. Another Darkness Ablaze here. So yeah, Kansas City, it's 3-14 right now. Bucks up. Go Bucks. Don't know if this commentary I necessarily want on my video, given how the game might end up, but Gotharita, Piers, Powerful Energy, Squovet, the true final boss of Sword and Shield. If you shake the giant tree in the Crown Tundra, you fight a supercharged Squovet. It's actually pretty funny. Teddy Ursa, you gotta shake it like 30 sometimes or something. Rookidee, Reverse Hollow Leyron, and ooh, a hollow rare Pincurchin. I don't know how to say it exactly, but very nice, very nice. Got one more Darkness Ablaze here. Oh no. You got pack plastic all over here. Energy. Gotharita, Kaboo, Turbo Patch, Mareep, Paris, Gothita, Skarmory, Cubchoo, Reverse Hollow Torchic, and Galarian Slowbro V. Very nice. I like this card. I like the artwork on it. It's like kind of CGI, kind of claymation. Very cool. Not too bad on the pulls. We got 2 packs left, and they are both Vivid Voltage. I'm not hyping up. I would be cool with a Golden Monkey Boy. Obviously, another Rainbow Chew is like unthinkable. I'm content with what we've got so far. These are just some spare packs I had around, so Metang, Voltorb, Rockruff, nice little Tailo, Yanma, Wooper, Reverse Hollow Poochyena, and Galarian Darmanitan V. I was just talking to Anthony earlier today about how much I like this form. I like Darmanitan, and I like this form, and I like this card, and wow, what are the odds of that? Get him up there, get in there. Come on, Galarian Darmanitan, come on, get up there. Alright, last pack of the night, another Vivid Voltage. Got the Chonky Chew on there. Could we be so blessed? Last pack luck. It's a real thing, I'm telling you. Last pack luck exists. Energy. Electric. Charmeleon. Telescopic sight. Seed it. Picky Peck. Mudbray. Joltik. Weedle, shout out Colin. Reverse Hollow Aerocuda, and a Hollow Dialga again. Awesome. This is the second one I've gotten of these. Really like the artwork. Really like Dialga. Hopefully we get those Sinnoh remakes soon. So, alright, I mean, overall, not too bad. As you can see, we got Gold Trainer card, Big Charm, awesome. Venusaur V, Grapploct V, Galarian Darmanitan V, Slowbro V, and some nice looking hollows. Some of these things actually came with like guaranteed hollow like lines. So I got like a hollow Gengar line, Grimmsnarl, Dragapult, Obstagoon. You know, just like what Anthony was doing in his last video, I was thinking of showing off, you know, since I started this, my collection really has kind of exploded almost. So I've got, you know, obviously, you know, the Rainbow Chew, but there are some really cool cards. Like I have Surfing Pikachu. I love the break cards. There's just so much. I mean, the detail on this, and it's like you can almost, I don't know if you can see it on here. Yeah, there it is. You can see like there's a texture to it. I love what they're doing with the artwork. Some of my favorites are, you know, I would say not what you expect. I mean, Toxapex GX. I like Toxapex as a Pokemon. I feel like there's a lot in the game that people could use it for, and it's really fun if you're just messing around. Random energy in my stuff. You know, there's just so much to do. So again, I haven't forgotten you guys. There is a lot of stuff I'm planning on doing when I get some more time. Like that playthrough. Should be coming. Oh, here's one of my favorites. Pyroar Break. I love Pyroar. I mean, look at that card. Sweet. Like Anthony though, I am a big fire type person. Arcanine. Alakazam is one of my big ones. I really enjoy Alakazam. Ho-Oh, underrated bird. He got really shafted. He got so shafted in the long run over Lugia. Then this is honestly, without a doubt, one of my go-tos. Could not ask for a cooler little card than Surfing Pikachu. The legend of Surfing Pikachu as a whole is just the mythology behind it. It is a real thing. It was something you could get in the games. You had to win like a contest or go to an event. And there was a Pikachu that legitimately knew Surf. So it's really cool that that is a card. So anyways, guys, hopefully you guys are going to have a good week. I do have a couple more surprises that are on the way. Hopefully they pay, you know, they are what, you know, I think they might be. They should be really cool stuff. Fingers crossed. Again, I don't know when exactly that might be, you know, with the postal service, all that. It's kind of takes a while. So some of these things are from way back, so it's been quite a while, but they just don't, you know, shipping is crazy. So anyhow, until next time, guys, keep an eye out. We've got some Anthony's, I think he's starting Fire Red this week, so keep an eye on that. Randomizers are a lot of fun. And, you know, Shining Fates next week, so hopefully if either of us can get some product, that would be a pretty cool thing to look at. Get some cool pulls. Anyhow, guys, until next time, Chris, you're watching Dumb Luck TCG. Keep posted. Got some more cool stuff coming.